Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the best airdrops from Injective Protocol to do right now. We know that airdrops in Solana have been exploding like Ditto, like PIF, like many others, but Injective is really under the radar, and I think the next big wave of airdrops could happen in this protocol. So like always in my videos, we are going to cover what Injective is, and then I go step by step in everything that you need to do in order to participate to all these possible airdrops in all these protocols. So stay with me until the end because you need to do all these steps and you will be able to participate on more than 3 airdrops at once in this video, with my expectation that this could be the next Ditto airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Injective is a very under the radar protocol. You can see anyways that it's at position 38 of CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. $25 each token right now, 100 million tokens is the max supply. One important thing to notice here is that Binance is at position 4 in volume for this protocol. So that makes it very interesting because there are many exchanges, many markets where you can get this token. So the first thing for this tutorial is you need to have Injective. Like always, this is a layer 1 solution. It's very focused on DeFi, but you are going to pay gas fees with Injective, and you will need to stake Injective tokens for this tutorial and these airdrops. So I would recommend you to buy a couple of Injective tokens. I know these are not cheap, but you will need to stake and pay gas fees with it. So the first thing, you need to go to any of these market protocols, buy some Inject token. And my personal usage is that I use Kepler for this. So you will need to log in and get the Kepler wallet, and then you can send some Injective tokens into your address of Injective. If you don't know how to do that in Kepler, it's very easy. Once you are in your Kepler, go here to manage the portfolio in Kepler dashboard. Here is going to be more easy to manage and understand where you go. But basically you are going to be selecting from the chains section here. You can search for Injective. Click on Injective, and then up here you can see your Injective wallet address. So you can send your funds to this address. So be sure that you copied it correctly, and you can send your Injectives from Binance, for example, into your Kepler wallet here with this address. So Injective is more than just one blockchain focused on DeFi. There are many things to analyze about this protocol, but that is not going to happen in this video. The ecosystem is not so big yet. It's a little under the radar, but many airdrops can be earned, so we are early here. Injective burns 60% of all exchange fees every week through an auction process. So that is amazing. There are many specific things that makes the Injective protocol a very great solution for layer 1 that maybe the next bull run it could shine. And imagine the usage of this gets massive attention and massive usage. The 60% of the exchange fees are burned. So now let's go step by step on how you can participate on all these airdrops. The first one is that you may want to use the bridge on the hub. So you can move, for example, TIA into Inject protocol. To do that, go to this URL, the hub of Injective network. It's going to send you here. So you will need to log in with your Kepler wallet, like I mentioned. Remember to have funds. So here you can see your Kepler and all what you have. But here in bridge, you can see the bridge and you can move funds from one protocol to another. So for example, here you have Atom that you can move, but you can move any other token that you want from the different protocols. Let's say that I want to move, for example, Celestia tokens. I have TIA tokens in my Kepler wallet, so I can bridge those TIA into Injective. So my first thing that maybe could be an eligible criteria is to do a couple of bridge here. As you can see with this wallet, I did a bridge of half of TIA, so really small amount. And then I did a withdraw. So then I move it back to Celestia chain. But try to use the bridge at least 1 or 2 times. With volume, it's going to be better. So that is the step 1. The step 2 is that we want to stake in the hub. So I staked 2 INJ tokens here, but I think that is like the minimum that you will need for a real opportunity on an airdrop. If you can afford to put more than $100 on the stake, please do it. I think volume always is important for this kind of airdrops on the DeFi ecosystem. So in the same URL, you can go to the staking part. So click here on staking. And of course, remember you need to have injected tokens. And you can see I am already delegating in these 3 protocols. So if you go down here, you can see all the validators. The only thing that you need to do is click here on delegate now. You put the amount of inject tokens that you want and you delegate. It's that easy. You can then move the delegation to another validator if you want. But if you want to take it out, it's going to take a couple of days. So consider that when you delegate, you cannot get those tokens immediately to get it out. So instead of go and delegate in any protocol just randomly, first check that the commissions are not the highest. You can see also the voting power and how much staked amount they have. But I would recommend you to just try to copy the protocols that I have because are the ones that could give you an airdrop too. One that you can use is Black Panther, another is Helix protocol. You can also on partner staking. So try to delegate, for example, to Black Panther that you are going to see it on this tutorial. But be sure to delegate. I put 2 INJ tokens here on each of these. But remember, this is the minimum that I think you are going to need to get an airdrop. If you can put 4 or 5, it's going to be better. So after you delegate it and stake it in point 2, go to point 3. This is try to vote in the governance section. So try to vote here on any of the governance proposals. Already ended, this was December 4th. That is the last one, already passed it. So pay attention and try, if you can, to participate on the governance of Injective Hub. So these 3 points are all interactions with Hub of Injective. Like for example, in Cosmos, you receive many airdrops if you just were staking Atom into the protocol of Cosmos. So this is the same for Injective. Just for delegating in Injective protocol, it could be many airdrops around this protocol. So that is why step 1, 2, and 3 are really important to do. Now going to particular projects, the first one is Black Panther. So what we want to do is, like we mentioned before, we want to stake on Black Panther. So you can open your Kepler wallet, go to the ecosystem, and here you can also stake. And you can see here Black Panther, and actually they say delegate for claim drop. So this is regarding the possible airdrop that they are doing. So you can click here and you can delegate on Black Panther if you didn't do it from the hub. So again, click on stake and you will be participating already on the validator of Black Panther. And you can see this tweet. This is already from August, where they say we are building the asset management hub of the future on Injective and getting closer to entering the validator active set. Support us by redelegating Injective tokens to our validator and earn airdrops when we launch our token. So guys, this is 100% confirmed since August. If you have not been doing this before, this is your opportunity. Here you have, again, you can do it from Kepler or from here the hub like we mentioned before. Search for Black Panther and stake there some Injective tokens. Just for you to know, this is Injective on DeFi Llama, only 11 million in total value log, so really low amount. The first gem here is Helix, then you have Levana Perps, and we have Black Panther here. So we are covering Black Panther right now, only 1.46 million here, but doing this you are participating. And we are going to cover also the other protocols. But first go to blackpanther.fi and you can see this is the website. They are launching on also in Terra and Zksync, so they already are here on Injective. You can launch the application and you need to be connected here with your Injective wallet. And the thing that you want to do is here on Vault, you want to deposit some Inject tokens here. That is going to be paired with USDT. You can also deposit USDT that will going to be divided with Injective. So you can deposit on the Vault, and after you deposit on the Vault, you can stake that. So you can see here that the Vault token is Injective and USDT. So once you participate and deposit and then you stake that, you are going to be participating on this airdrop. Here you have the airdrop section, which actually says that we are distributing pointing tokens on injected mainnet to incentivize user participation. Point tokens will be used to unlock rewards when we launch our Black token, which will allow token holders to earn Black Partner Protocol revenue. So you not only are going to get the airdrop, but you also could get part of the revenue of the protocol. And here you have your wallet and the points that you are going to be earning after doing all this stuff. Remember, you participate staking on their validator, and you are also participating here, depositing and staking in the vault. You also can swap if you go to another protocols. You also have the bridge and another things outside of this protocol. So here you have the leaderboard also with the points, and from here you can go to this validator directly of Black Panther. So with this we are covering already the airdrop from Black Panther. So the step 5, like we mentioned before, was the airdrop page. You can check all the information. So I already covered it. You stake on their validator and you deposit and stake in the vault. And in this case, step 6, which I already did it, is I put it 2 injective tokens. Like I said, that is the minimum that I think is going to be worth for the possible airdrop. If you could go with 4 or 5 at least, that would be about $100. I think that is more meaningful for this kind of airdrops. Now let's move to step 7, which is let's delegate injective tokens in tails. Again, I staked 2 injective tokens for the purpose of the video. But you can see here this protocol. This is from December 8. They say exciting airdrops alert, unveiling Tails token reward for Tails community, stakers on Tails injective validator, and users of the platform, your loyalty hasn't gone unnoticed. And of course, guys, this is already confirmation of the airdrop. We need to do the same with the Black Panther. We need to stake injected tokens on Tails, and we also need to use the protocol. So that is what we are going to do next. So first, on this step, we are going to go to the hub again, and we are going to stake on Tails. You can search here on the list in staking section. You can search here for Tails, which is called Tails Protocol, and you can see the logo, which is the same. So again, try to delegate more than 2. So let me show you how to do that. For example, I will put 2 more here. So click on delegate. Approve the transaction. You can see cost only 1 cent and you need to pay on injective tokens. Tails Protocol is an NFT project. You have the trending collections, current actions for different NFTs. So here the recommendations that I will do for you in order to get this airdrop is step 8. Try to buy 1 NFT in Tails. I spent 2 injective tokens in one easy NFT that I saw there, and I put it to sell again. So going to Injective Tails Art, you can go and search a cheap NFT and buy it. So I think using here the platform besides the staking, like they mentioned here, which means users of the platform, I think that will be rewarded too. And like you can see, I already created the cryptocurrency collection and I created an NFT there, which is only the fee for the transaction, so really cheap. That will be the next step. Step 9 is that we need to edit your profile and we need to go to the create button, create your NFT and collection and put it to sell. So to do that, here you go on your section here, click on edit profile. So you put all the information of your profile. It's important to do this because this is going to be already recorded on your NFT when you create it. So after you complete your information here, you can go and put create standalone token, and here you have all the steps to create your NFT. So put the title, description, the image there, and click on next. So follow the steps. It's very intuitive and easy to do, and you just need to pay the transaction fees. At some point you will need to create a new collection if you don't create the collection first, but it's really easy to do. So doing that, buying an NFT, selling and creating an NFT and trying to sell it, and staking in Tails, you are already done. The step 10 now, guys, is go to Helix application and trade Injective against USDT. Helix app, like you saw here on DeFi Llama, is the first protocol, 8 million in TVL, is a DX. So we want to go there and we want to trade and participate on the liquidity bot. So first I'm going to go a swap here. you can use spot, perpetual, and use the trading bots. But I will swap, for example, USDT with Injective tokens, or you can do the opposite. Just do some transaction here in order to get some traction. So I will send that little amount of USDT into Injective. The transaction fees here are really cheap for Injective Protocol. I love it. I think it's a great protocol, and you can see the swap was successful. So now I have all in my Injective tokens. Now, after you do some swaps, I recommend you to try to do with volume, of course. Step 11, which is showing the liquidity bot. I put 4 Injective tokens in total here, 1 Injective swap to USDT, and then 3 Injective tokens. So in the same section here, you can go to liquidity. After this loads, you can see you can select the pair that you want, for example, Injective and USDT. And here you can deposit and use the protocol for this liquidity bot. So you can see this pair. I already have a liquidity bot here, and you can see total profit is 0.42 USDT. The total amount that I put here, 106 USDT. I put 3 Injective tokens and 26 USDT. So this is the orders that the liquidity bot did. You can end the bot after you already applied there, but if you want to select a new pair, what you need to do is just deposit the tokens here. So you can deposit both tokens, or only Arbitrum is going to sell part of that for the other pair, or USDT only. So here you put the amount that you want, and you create the strategy with the liquidity bot. So that will be a very great strategy to use there, the liquidity bot. Then you can trade and earn. There are many things that you can do on the protocol, but basically start using the swap and the liquidity bot. Also, you can trade on perpetuals. I would recommend you to just set a couple of perpetual transactions too, to get more traction on this protocol. This is an important protocol because it's the first one with more TVL here, so I recommend you to use it. So in this video we covered the airdrop for Injective itself, because staking and delegating on Injective could bring you airdrops just like Atom on the Cosmos ecosystem. And we participated on Black Panther, on Tails, the NFT marketplace, and in Helix. So these are the best airdrops right now to participate on this protocol. But be sure to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get the notifications, because I'm going to follow very closely the Injective protocol and all the possible airdrops, because I think we are early and we may get very substantial airdrops first. That will be all for this video, guys, and don't forget to check my subscription page at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions, where you can join my private Discord, and also I have an airdrop application that you can join that subscription to, where you can apply to all these airdrops that I cover and your custom airdrops in an easy way, keeping track of all your registration activity and applying in a couple of clicks. So that app is something that I created, and it's part of my subscriptions with my private Discord. So check the subscriptions, and all my other videos about different airdrops I have been covering: Space Catch, the pre-sale and airdrop, the Orbiter claim your NFTs for the airdrop, Wormhole is very important project, Solana airdrops, you can name it, Shultify, I cover many things, the PIT distribution that we participate, so many things. Check my videos here. That will be all for this best Injective airdrops to do now in the crypto space. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.